Oh, we have today the Scyrox V6, Scyrox V6, Scyrox V6 in this fucking cool blue box. FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Scyrox V6 wireless gaming mouse in this beautiful box. I'm a little confused. I think this is a sleeve. It's kind of cool. Okay, this is going to be like a puzzle box for me. Yeah, it's a sleeve. Okay, so we're unboxing that way. Slide that up. That's kind of cool. Okay. Nice, really neat sleeve. Okay. Nice little box, 40 grams. That's pretty cool. That's neat. That's cool. Hey, kudos, man. Wow. That's neat. Okay. Oh, thank you. We got some coffee. Fresh coffee for an unboxing, folks. Scyrox V6 and a coffee. How about that? Man, that's cool. Okay, how do I get to the dongle? Wow, it's like an X3 without the terrible side hump crap. Man, I'm going to like this a lot. Let's see the weight balancing. Ooh, yeah. Oh, man. Okay. We're excited. Hey, thank you for choosing this one for me to unbox. Chat, Sam out there, shout out in the video. Sam the Ham, man, choosing the V6 to unbox instead of the V8. Boy, oh boy, I'm excited for this one. I can tell you that. I like the colorway too. It's gonna look better, good on this. I can't say the words I want to say about this mouse pad. I fucking hate it. It's an interesting dongle. Cord kind of sucks. Scyrox. I don't know what the hell this is. All right. That's a bizarre dongle. Look at the shaping on that. That's weird. It's cool though. All right. This cord is so stiff. You could like snare an animal with this. It's strong enough to like snare a deer. Or whatever. Snare a deer. What the fuck am I talking about? Does this come with skates? Skates are on it. Ring skate. Oh, dude, they did the ring skate crooked too. Look at that. Maybe this is the mouse for me. They did the ring skate. Oh, still sick. All right. Well, is that it? Oh, we got some more goodies. We got additional skates, shape fitted, an instruction card in case you don't know how to use a mouse. Okay. Point and click. This is sweet, man. I'm liking this. Good call. All right. So this one I'll test first. I think I am going to unbox the other one just so I have some content out, because these unboxings are good, but they are not. Oh, man. That is... All right, now we got it. My voice is still kind of screwed up, so I want to save my good voice for reviews. All right, I'll stop this one. Thanks for watching. Still doing the live stream. Just stopping this unboxing.